So we always get calls all the time in reference to what kind of edging do we put down, what kind of borders do we put down between our flower beds and our shrubs and things like that, or between our grass and our flower beds. And so we wanted to show you this today. This is a home that one of our clients, and this particular home, they used good old wood edging. As you can see, this wood edging is timber. Timber was pressure treated back probably 20 years ago or 15 years ago when it was installed. And so over time, that wood has decayed. So all this material, as you can see, completely rotten. And so this is not a very good solution for those flower beds where you want them to be separated out or bordered out. Because eventually what happens is that this homeowner invested money into this material. It probably looked good for 4 or 5 years, and then it started decaying. The unfortunate thing with timber is they manufacture timber so fast nowadays that wood actually, as it dries out in your yard by the sun and those kind of things, it actually can twist and warp. I've gone to houses like this before, and the board be like a circle because it's basically just coming out of the ground. So when you're thinking about the borders, your edging materials, things like that, keep in mind the longevity of that material. So if this was a concrete border or this was a metal edging or something along those lines, granted, you would have more expense in the front end, but 20 years down the road or 10 years down the road, we're not having to come back and replace these old pesky wooden cross ties or landscape timbers. So just keep in mind, keep that thought process as you lay in your thinking about your landscape, thinking about those spring projects, those summer projects. This is a cheap option, but it is not a long-term option. So hope this helps.